How to find tracking number on Popmart Labubu. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now search for Popmart. Then click on the website popmart.com. Now you want to log into your account, so enter your credentials. Once you have been logged in, click on the My Account option. Now from here select My Order. You're going to find all of your orders here. Click on the Labubu order. Now check the details. Here you will find all the order details such as order status. You will also find the delivery information. Right below that you will find tracking information. This is where you will find your tracking number. Now you can simply click on that to view your order status, or you can head over to the Courier's website. Now enter that tracking number, and from there as well you can track your order. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.